Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating or signing into your Google account and confirming admin access to the website. Next, create a GA4 property because it's the current standard. This defines how data is collected and processed. Once done, set the property name, reporting time zone, and currency so reports align with business needs. Make sure to enable data sharing and measurement settings you want. These control features and integration with other Google products. You now create a web data stream inside the GA4 property and copy the measurement ID that looks like GXXXX. Then install the tag, add gtag, JS to your site header, deploy via Google Tag Manager, or use your CMS plugin for quicker setup. Once implemented, verify data flow in real-time and debug view so you know hits arrive. Also enable enhanced measurement for scrolls and outbound clicks, and plan custom events for key user actions you want to track. You finish by marking important events as conversions, building audiences for segmentation, and adjusting data retention to meet reporting needs. Once done, link integrations like Google Ads, Search Console, and BigQuery to enrich insights and enable remarketing. Make sure to create useful reports and explorations for stakeholders. If things go wrong, use Debug View, the tag assistant, and the browser console to identify missing tags or blocked scripts. That single troubleshooting check often finds incorrect measurement ID or consent-related blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.